friends, welcome to Cooking with Kyra. I'm Kyra and this is my daughter Ellie.
Hi.
Today we're going to be making Oreo frog cookies. But first, we'll read a story. Our story today is called I'm a Frog. That's not a frog. I'm a frog! Ribbit. Ribbit.
Piggy.
Ribbit. 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 Ribbit.
What are you doing, Piggy?
I'm a frog.
You're a frog?
Yes.
I did not know that. I was sure you were a pig. You look like a pig, and your name is Piggy.
I was a pig. Now I am a frog. Ribbit.
You learn something new every day. When did you become a frog?
About 5 minutes ago.
5 minutes ago? 5 minutes ago she was a pig. Now she's a frog.
Ribbit.
What if I become a frog? Hopping all day?
Hop.
Eating flies.
Ribbit.
I don't want to be a frog!
It's okay, Gerald. It is pretend.
Is the end?
No, Gerald. Pretend. I am pretending.
What is pretending?
Pretending is when you act like something you are not.
Wow. And you can just do that? You can just go out and pretend to be something you are not.
Sure. Everybody pretends.
Even grown-up people?
All the time.
You really do learn something every day.
Do you want to try it, Gerald? Do you want to pretend to be a frog? Ribbit.
I cannot. I cannot.
Yes, you can. Ribbit.
No, I can't.
Yes, you can.
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 Yes. No, I can't.
Yes, you can.
No, I can't.
Yes, you can.
No, I can't.
Yes, you can.
No, I can't.
Gerald. Why can't you pretend to be a frog?
Because I am a cow. Moo.
Ribbit, ribbit, ribbit.
Moo.
The end. All right, friends, now that we've read our story, we're going to go over the ingredients that you should have received in your bag from the New Lenox Public Library. First, you should see, go ahead, a bag with 2 Oreos, a bag with green melting wafers, a bag with pretzels, and a container with some candy sprinkles. In addition to the items in your bag, you will need a couple of things from home. You will need a fork, a microwave safe bowl, and parchment paper. We are going to start by melting our chocolate wafers. So we're going to pour our chocolate wafers into our bowl. And then we're going to take it to the microwave and microwave it for 30 seconds. Take it out and mix it. Put it back in for 10 seconds. Take it out and mix it. Put it in for another 10 seconds. Take it out and mix it. And it should be pretty much melted. If not, you can keep putting it in for 10 seconds at a time until it's all nice and melted. And when we come back, we will assemble our cookies. All right, now that we've got our green melting wafers nice and melted, we are gonna go ahead and start assembling our frogs. So the first thing that we wanna do is we wanna have 2 pretzels for each frog. We're going to put 1 pretzel in at a time, and you can dip it in and then use your fork to flip it over, and then use your fork to pull it out, and then put it on your parchment paper. You have a fork too. It's okay, go ahead. And then you want to take your second pretzel, put it in, flip it over, take it out, and when you put it on the parchment paper, your second one, you want the bottom of the pretzels to touch on your parchment paper.
That one's going to be hard for me to do.
You can do it. After you get your pretzels on, we're going to do our Oreos. It's okay. You can move it once it's on there. Yeah, doesn't matter what the bottom looks like. It's fine. It's good. And we're going to stick our fork into our Oreo like this. Nice and gentle. There you go. And then we're going to tilt our chocolate so that we get a good amount on the edge so we can cover our Oreo. And if you have a spoon might come in handy to kind of drizzle over that one edge. And then once we get it all nice and coated, we're going to move it here, and we're going to pull it off the fork. Just like that. Go ahead. So flip it down so you can get, uh-oh. It's okay. It's okay. So ours broke a little bit, and that's okay. We're gonna fix it. So some of our cookie is a little broken, but I think it's salvageable. So we're gonna take this out of here. We're gonna put it onto our pretzels, and then we're gonna pour the chocolate over the top.
So that kind of like glues it together.
Yep. So the pretzels look like little legs, and then the Oreo is the body. And then we're going to, while the chocolate is still wet, we're going to add our candy eyes to the top. Whoop. I'm going to put that one in the middle. This one's going to have some wonky eyes. Whoop. And then you can, do you want the pink tongue or the red tongue?
I want the red tongue.
Red tongue? Okay. And then you can put your little tongue right in there. Stick it in. And then once we have our tongue and our eyes on, we'll put them into the fridge or into the freezer for about 5 minutes, and then we'll pop them out and we'll try them out. Alright friends, it's been about 5 minutes since we put our frogs into the freezer. Our chocolate frogs. Don't put real frogs in the freezer. And our chocolate is nice and hard, but this happened. So this might happen if you had some excess chocolate on the parchment paper. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna really gently kind of break it off if you want it to look pretty. Otherwise, if you're just gonna eat it yourself, then just go for it.
I'll eat your chocolate, Mom.
And so I'm just gonna break off that extra. And there's my frog with his close together eyes.
And there's my frog with
His
the
snake tongue. That's right. If you make it the pointy end on the heart, then you get a snake tongue for your frog. You ready to try?
Yes.
All right. Cheers. Cheers.
I like this one.
All right, friends. I'm so happy you could join us for our April Cooking with Kyra. And we will see you this summer. Thanks, everyone.